Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the computer class. Today we are starting chapter 6 more about Windows. In our chapter 2, we have already read about Windows 7. Here we will revise that one and then we will start another more about Windows 7. Windows 7 is the most popularly used operating system because it is very friendly. That means it is very easy to use. What is desktop? Desktop, the first screen that you see after the Windows software has loaded, it is called the desktop. When on the desktop we can see many small icons. Icons means that small pictures that is shown on the desktop are called the computer icons. There many icons will be there, among them computer icon and recycle bin. These two we can see over there. These icons represent different programs, files or folders. And how it will be opened? It will be opened by double clicking on the icons. If we will put the cursor on the icon and we have to double click the mouse left button. If we will double click, then it will open. Okay. Next, computer icon. What we can see in the computer icon? Whatever is stored on the computer is accessible from the icon called computer. When we will double click on it, the computer icon window will open. Within that computer window, there will be many icons will be there. See, there is local disk C. This icon shows that your computer has a hard disk drive. Drive C, which contains a hard disk to store and access data. This icon shows that your computer has a DVD-ROM drive installed. You can insert a CD or a DVD and see its contents by double clicking this icon. When you double click the local disk icon, a window appears which displays a list of files and folders on the hard disk. So when we will click on the computer icon, more icons will come over there. Among them, local disk C, an icon will be there. This shows that your computer has a hard disk. Okay, that is called the drive C. Okay, and if you will put a DVD-ROM, computer has a DVD-ROM drive installed. And if you will insert a CD, insert means if you there is a place, if you will put a CD over there, you can see it contents by double clicking this icon. This you can see by double clicking. If you will double click on this icon, you can see that. When you double click the local disk icon, then windows will appear which will display about the files and folders that is present in the icon. Okay, in the computer. All work that we do on computer, that is in the form of files. The files means a collection of data or information, and each file has name and can have anything including drawing, text, pictures. That means in the file you can store any drawing, any picture, any text, and these are all these things will be collected and a file, it will form a file. When many files, that means 2 or 3 files, if you will put in a place, that will be a folder. A folder is a location or for organizing and storing files. It is used to place similar files together. Wallpaper and screensaver, the background image that you see on the desktop. So the background image that we see, that is called the wallpaper. The image that you see when your computer is idle. Idle means when you are not working. You will see a picture that is called the screensaver. you can change the wallpaper and screensaver. How you will change? You have to click on the start, then from there you have to go to the control panel. A control panel window appears, then there a personalization option will be there. You have to click on that. If you will click on the personalization, then personalization gallery will appear. From this gallery you can choose and change the wallpaper and the screensaver. Okay. Changing the wallpaper. How we will change the wallpaper? The personalization gallery, click desktop background. The desktop background gallery appears. So now previously we have changed the wallpaper. Okay. How you have to change? Now how we will change the wallpaper? So in the personalization gallery you have to click on the desktop background. Then a gallery will appear called the desktop background gallery, and from there you will select a picture. Then you have to click on the save changes and then close button. Save changes means you have to click choose one and you have to click on the save changes, and again you will return to the personalization gallery, and from there if you will click on the close, it will be changed. Next is the changing the screensaver. In the personalization gallery, click screensaver. Now in the personalization gallery, if you want to change the screensaver, you will click on the screensaver. Then the screensaver settings dialog box appears. Select the screensaver from the screensaver drop down list. Then you have to select from the drop down list about the screensaver. In the wait box, specify the minutes. There for how much time you want to wait, that you have to write on the wait box. Then you have to click apply and then click OK. Okay. Next. So you have to read this page very nicely. Short questions will come.